reuse can reduce recycling, and that is how we can save our environment. I am going to make a rocket pen pencil holder. For this, I have taken a bottle and cut it into pieces. Now insert cut bottle in rocket body. Your pen holder is ready. Now I will cover rocket top with kitchen iron juna. And plastic clip in bottom for balance. You can also start reusing used objects by such small ideas. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Ansim Bishtana from class 40 and today I am presenting a robot made with waste material. This is that robot. And there is an interesting fact about this robot that it can turn on the light and also off. Like this, I will show you. See how beautiful it looks. And the message I want to give to the people is that we should always wear masks and sanitize our hand, because if we have also taken the vaccination, so there is a chance that we can also, the coronavirus can also affect us. So I am telling that from this robot that we should always wear masks and sanitize our hands. Thank you.
We should conserve our environment by using the 3Rs, which are reuse, reduce and recycle. Today I have used reuse by making this sculpture with the help of used foil paper. Thank you.
Everybody, what can you see aside me? Yes, it's a bird feeder. You will be thinking, what did I make it from? Yes, I made it from a cannon oil bottle. See? So first I cut the cannon oil bottle in the needed shape. Then I took a poster color palette to paint it, and it's now dry and it's ready, and it's so easy to make. In just 2 steps, you can also try it at your home.
अर्थ का कुछ करो नहीं तो अनर्थ हो जाएगा. This is a very famous quote that is often quoted when we refer to the preservation and conservation of our environment. Today, I and Vishal Vival is going to answer a very crucial question, that is, what is the need to preserve our environment? Environmental conservation is very important for many reasons, like protecting ozone layer, protecting animal and human food chains, and more reasons. There are also many global problems that are going on Earth that is making life predicament on Earth. One of them is the global warming. Because of global warming, the ice of the polar regions is melting. Because of this, it leads to the rise of the water level in seas and oceans that leads to the floods. It leads to the covering of the undiscovered islands, loss of life and destruction. The another global problem that is going on in the world is pollution. The pollution that we are creating is deleterious and grievous to our earth. So as there is a increase in the population of humans, so there is a demand of lumber, food and water. So if there is an increase in demand, so we might not know that human may drive to exploit the natural resources from which we get the resources that we use in our daily life. So we should use these resources very wisely, that we don't use them for fraudulent purposes.
The bottle. Is it just one on your desk, or one of the dozen on the conference table, or one of the hundreds used in your office, or one of the thousand discarded in your building daily? It is definitely one. In the 25,000 tons of plastic India throws away every day. Will it be recycled? Mostly never, because in India, 80% of the plastic is discarded as waste. So, it will end up here in the Indian Ocean and form a part of an island which is greater than India itself. The Honorable Prime Minister of India has asked, can we free India from single use plastic? Please say yes. Let's use sustainable alternate solutions such as biodegradable plastics, reusable bottles, copper bottles, silicon, glass, etc. Let's stop plastic pollution. Let's do our bit. Save Earth, save ourselves. Thank you.
Our environment. Environment is very important for our life because clean environment makes every human being healthy to live. Some steps to make environment clean are to avoid plastic bags, always reduce, reuse, recycle, don't throw garbage on roads, use bins, do not litter. Thank you and have a nice day.
Conserve our environment. Environment plays an important role in healthy living. We should not burn crackers. We should not throw garbage on the road. We should use cycle for short distance. We should use cloth bag instead of plastic bag. We should not spit on road. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello all, I am a paper bag, brown and healthy. Me and my friends are environmental friendly alternative to the harmful plastic bags. It takes thousands of years for them to decompose. But I am made of renewable raw materials like wood that are 100% recyclable and biodegradable. I am strong, inexpensive, safe for animals and help in stopping environmental pollution for future generations. You must use me and conserve environment.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhriti Kachuria. Today I am going to tell you that how science is used in our day-to-day life. So as you all can see, I have made a working model of a well. See, this contains water. Okay, so yeah, did you all know that in well also science is used? It have hydrostatic pressure from the water's weight, that is hydrostatic pressure forces water to the surface of the well drilled into the aquifer. The pressure for the steady upflow is maintained by continuing penetration of water in the aquifer at the intake area. If the fluid's hydrostatic pressure is less than the formation pressure, the well can flow. The most common reason for insufficient fluid density is drilling into unexpected abnormally pressured formations. So the science behind the well is hydrostatic pressure. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Science Day.
Good morning. Today I, Divisha Marjan of class 8B, is going to show and explain the working of my hydraulic lift. This lift works on the basis of the principle that water exerts pressure. When I press this syringe, the water goes to the other syringe which is attached here. Because of the pressure exerted by the water, the syringe goes up, thus making the lift go up. When I pull the syringe, the water comes back to this syringe, and the lack of pressure in this syringe makes the lift come down. This is how my hydraulic lift works. I hope you like my project.
Hello everyone, today I am going to show you all the application used in flood prone areas to minimize damage of house near coastal areas. I have made a house, and to make this house I have used a cardboard, pencil, eraser, used plastic bottles, water and a utensil. I will put my house in the utensil and start putting water in the utensil. Now you have seen that the house has started to float. This is because of the heavy base that we have used under the house. So this caused the house to float. This will be very useful in the condition of flood and tsunamis, and this house can be made for science project very easily. The materials used in it are always available at home and very easy to buy. I hope you will like my science project and enjoy the experiment. Thank you.
I'm Sohana Nagpal of class 8C, and this is my model of human urinary system. These are the kidneys. This is the left kidney and the right kidney. These are the ureter, the bladder and the urethra. Now we'll see how it works. We'll add water in the kidneys and from the ureters, the water is being traveled and it is going downwards from the bladder to the urethra, and then it is being excreted. This is how the human urinary system works. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Falaksh Kuglani and today I am going to show you my working model. This is a solar light. There is a solar cell that is present on top of it, which I took from a solar science kit of mine. The lights that are attached to it are Diwali lights that are connected to the rechargeable cell that charges from solar energy. Then I put the model in a jar. Now I am going to show you how it works. First, we have to put it in sunlight to charge it. After that, as you can see, the model works. Thus, science has taught us how to convert the unlimited natural solar light into electricity and reducing the carbon footprint and saving our climate. Thank you and have a nice day.